Question number 1. Name the process which coordinates human efforts, assembles resources, and integrates both into a unified whole to be utilized for achieving specified objectives. A. Management. B. Planning. C. Organizing. D. Directing. And the right answer is C. Organizing. Question number 2. Organizing is a process by which manager A. establishes order out of chaos. B. Removes conflict among people over work or responsibility sharing. C. Creates an environment suitable for teamwork. D. All of the above. And the right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 3. It is defined as the framework within which managerial and operating tasks are performed. A. Span of management. B. Organizational structure. C. Informal organization. D. None of the above. And the right answer is B. Organizational structure. Question number 4. It refers to the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by a superior. A. Organizational structure. B. Informal structure, informal organization. C. Span of management. D. None of the above. And the right answer is C. Span of management. Question number 5. As the span of management increases in an organization, the number of level of management in the organization A. increases, B. decreases, C. remains unaffected, D. none of the above. And the right answer is B. decreases, because more subordinates can be effectively managed by a superior. Question number 6. Uranus Limited is a company dealing in metal products. The work is mainly divided into functions including production, purchase, marketing, accounts, and personnel. Identify the types of organizational structure followed by the organization. A. Functional structure. B. Relational structure. C. Divisional structure. And D. None of the above. And the right answer is A. Functional structure. Question number 7. Identify the type of organizational structure which facilitates occupational specialization. A. Functional structure. B. Horizontal structure. C. Network structure. D. Divisional structure. And the right answer is A. Functional structure. It emphasizes on specific function. Question number 8. Identify the types of organizational structure which makes training of employees easier, as the focus is only on a limited range of skills. A. Network structure. B. Divisional structure. C. Functional structure. And D. Matrix structure. And the right answer is C. Functional structure, as each employee is expected to gain proficiency with regard to one function only. Question number 9. This type of organizational structure is most suitable when the size of the organization is large, have diversified activities, and operations require a high degree of specialization. A. Divisional structure. B. Functional structure. C. Network structure. D. Matrix structure. And the right answer is B. Functional structure. Question number 10. Under this type of organizational structure, manpower is grouped on the basis of different products manufactured. A. Divisional structure. B. Functional structure. C. Network structure. And D. Matrix structure. And the right answer is A. Divisional structure. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a feature of functional structure? It promotes functional specialization. B. Managerial development is difficult. C. It is easy to fix responsibility for performance. D. It is an economical structure to maintain. And the right answer is C. It is easy to fix responsibility for performance. It is difficult to fix responsibility for performance. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a merit of functional structure? A. It promotes control and coordination within a department. B. It makes training of employees easier as the focus is only on a limited range of skills. C. It ensures that different products get due attention. D. It leads to occupational specialization. And the right answer is C. It ensures that different products get due attention. Question number 13. Rishabh had joined a creative head in an entertainment company. He always ensures that the work has been divided into small and manageable activities, and also the activities of similar nature are grouped together. Identify the related steps in the organizing process being mentioned in the above lines. A. Identification and division of work. B. Departmentalization. C. Assignment of duties. And D. Establishing reporting relationship. The right answer is B. Departmentalization. Question number 14. Indigo Limited has a staff of 300 people which is grouped into different departments. The organizational structure depicts that 100 people work in production department, 150 in finance department, 20 in technology department, and 30 in human resources department. Identify the type of organizational structure being followed by the company. A. Functional structure. B. Divisional structure. C. Informal structure. D. None of the above. And the right answer is A. Functional structure. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a merit of divisional structure? A. It promotes product specialization. B. It ensures that different functions get due attention. C. It promotes flexibility and faster decision making. D. It facilitates expansion and growth as new division. And the right answer is B. It ensures that different functions get due attention. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a demerit of divisional structure? A. It is an expensive structure to maintain since there may be a duplication of activities across products. B. All functions related to a particular product are integrated into one department. C. Conflict may arise among different divisional heads due to different interests. D. Authority provided to the manager to supervise all activities related to a particular division may lead to undesirable consequences. The right answer is B. All functions related to a particular product are integrated in one department. Question number 17. Identify the correct sequence of steps to be followed in an organizational process. A. Departmentalization, establishing reporting relationships, assignment of duties, identification and division of work. B. Identification and division of work, departmentalization, assignment of duties, establishing reporting relationships. C. Identification and division of work, assignment of duties, departmentalization, establishing reporting relationship. D. Identification and division of work, establishing reporting relationship, departmentalization and assignment of duties. And the right answer is B. Identification and division of work, departmentalization, assignment of duties, and establishing reporting relationship. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a demerit of functional structure? A. It places more emphasis on the objective pursued by a functional head than an overall enterprise objective. B. It may lead to conflict of interest among departments due to varied interests. C. It leads to occupational specialization. D. It may lead to difficulty in coordination among functional differentiated departments. The right answer is C. It leads to occupational specialization. Question number 19. Lakshya has been given the task of arranging a 5-day conference of foreign delegates. In order to ensure smooth functioning of the event, he has made 2 people as coordinators to take care of activities related to registration and refreshment. Identify the functions of management being carried out by Lakshya. A. Planning, B. Staffing, C. Organizing, D. Directing. And the right answer is C. Organizing. Thank you so much for watching.